Nora's card was declined, right there at the checkout counter.
I'm sorry. Let me put some things back.
That night, Nora made a promise to herself.
Never again. I'm going to save half of every paycheck, starting now. Nora saved half her paycheck. But then she could not pay her rent.
After 5 days, she stopped. Next, Nora tried a no-spend month. She said no to everything. But after 2 weeks, she felt tired of saying no. One night, she bought everything she wanted at once.
Why can't I save any money? Why is this so hard?
Deep inside, Nora knew the truth. Saving everything at once was too big a step. One night, Nora read a short sentence online. One coin. Just 1 coin a day. The next morning, Nora saved just 1 coin. Only 1 coin. It felt easy. So she did it again the next day, and the next. After 2 weeks, she did not stop. For the first time, Nora was consistent.
It's only 1 coin.
One hard week, Nora almost stopped. But she dropped her coin in anyway.
1 coin, that's all. I can still do this.
Is that a savings jar? That's a great idea.
Thanks, Ben. It's for a vacation.
Smart plan.
Just 1 coin a day. It's not much.
3 months later, the jar was full. Nora added one more small step. She rounded up every purchase and saved the rest. Step by step, no pressure, just progress. Then, one evening, something unexpected happened. A pipe burst at home. Nora needed money right away.
I've got this.
This time, Nora paid without panic. She had saved enough. You handled that so calmly.
1 small coin a day. That's all it took.
Big goals can feel scary, but small steps are easy and possible. 1 small coin, saved every day, becomes real safety. If you want to change your life, do not wait for the perfect moment. Just save 1 small coin today.